Hello, West Michigan. I'm Chief Meteorologist Keith Thompson with an update on that powerful fall storm that will be moving in late tonight and be with us during the day tomorrow. And sort of a behind-the-scenes look. Some of the information that I'm looking at to try to decide what the forecast will be. First of all, going to start with a map here of projected wind speed aloft. You can see the timestamp, the top right corner of this map. What we're looking at here is shortly after midnight, so this would be very early tomorrow morning, in the wee hours, we'll say, of Thursday morning. See this area that I've highlighted in yellow? Well, that's some strong southwesterly winds that are going to be blowing in here, projected at about 70 miles per hour. Now, again, you see the banner. This is about 4,000 feet aloft, but it gives me an idea that there are some strong winds not that far off the surface. And if we get any thunderstorms that tap into a little of that wind and bring it to the surface, which is not out of the question, that we could have some very gusty winds associated with thunderstorms here overnight. Wind speed near the surface. That's the map that we're looking at here now, and we've advanced the time. This is late tomorrow morning, late on Thursday morning. And again, we're looking at mainly a southwest motion here. And by the way, it pretty much overlays the winds that are going to be flowing at about 4,000 feet. And so whenever you have that uniformity there, that's a sign that you're going to have some very strong winds that'll be blowing through. Now, near the surface, the projection here is about 30 miles per hour. But again, there could be some higher gusts coming in with this as well. Let's move on to the next map. This is a simulated radar here from one of the models that we use. This is for early Thursday morning. Again, this is right around midnight or shortly thereafter. And you can sort of see where Michigan is, where West Michigan is. And again, the bulk of those showers with some thunderstorms are going to be moving in right about then. That's the projection anyway. Now we'll look at Storm Tracker, and you can see that storm right now. It is winding up as it moves out of the plains and toward the Mississippi Valley. In fact, just now, tornadic thunderstorms being reported with this area of low pressure in Iowa. So it is indeed packing quite a punch. When is it going to arrive? Well, look, hour by hour shows that at 6 o'clock, things are quiet. By midnight, the showers will be moving in. You can see that counterclockwise spin with that low spinning right over us and eventually moving out on Friday. But this is going to be hanging around for long enough to be giving us quite a wind storm. So here's our storm threat index and the impact forecast. The wind threat is severe. I think we'll have gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour, especially close to the lakeshore. Rainfall in the neighborhood of about half an inch, perhaps. So a moderate risk there. Doesn't look like we'll see any risk from any tornadoes or from any hail. Again, a little bit of a behind-the-scenes look. Some of the maps and charts that I'm looking at in making that forecast that you can hear live tonight. News Channel 3 at 5 o'clock, 5:30, and 6 o'clock. I hope to see you there.